Okay, hey guys, what's going on? So, I know a lot of us have had questions. So, here it is, lesson 5, using equations to solve for unknown angles. So, some basic of angles that we need to know. If you are not looking at this, you need to start doing that because I have all the angles you need to know. Acute, right, obtuse, straight angle. Every time you see a straight line, that is a straight angle, okay? And it says an angle that is straight is always 180 degrees. A right angle is always 90, okay? So, is this enough? Tyler thinks that this figure has enough information to find the values of A and B. Do you agree, yes or no? This is basically just opinion based. I want to know. Okay, what do you think? Do we have enough? Do we not have enough? Again, this right here is how much? Well, we know this is a straight line. So, a straight line always equals 180 degrees. So, do you agree? Yes or no? Why or why not? Down here, what equation represents Diego or Elena? I'll go ahead and do this one. It says we need to select the equation, explain why, and solve. Okay, so I'm going to select Diego because that is the correct one. Diego is the correct equation. So select Diego. It says, and now I need to solve it. So let's go ahead and look right here. Right here we have a straight line. And then a straight line always equals 180 degrees. Okay? So a straight line always equals 180. I know this right here is 180 degrees. Okay? So now I need to figure out what is this big piece? What is this X right here? Okay? Well, I know 35 plus X equals 180 degrees. Okay? So another way I can do this is solving my two-step equation. Minus 35 minus 35. X would equal 145 degrees. Okay? So X equals 145 degrees. We know that also. And look, I even used the equation Diego gave. So we know that's true. Now, what does W equal? Well, if you remember that 35 degrees and W degrees are opposite, meaning they are vertical angles, which means vertical angles are always equal. So, if this equals 35, that means W also equals 35 degrees. Okay? Good work right here. I explained why, I solved, and I selected the equation that represents this picture. Okay? You need to do the rest. Look, this is another 180 degree one. This one, you can use this. Treat this as a 90 degree. Okay? You do it the exact same way. Solve. Down here, straight lines. These are both 180. Boom. Okay? We need to find the value of W and B. Right here, okay? All of these are 90 degrees. Assume all are 90. Assume all are 90 degrees. So let's go ahead and look at number 1. I know this entire thing right here equals 90 degrees. But I only know 35. I need to know this. What does X equal? Okay, so I have an equation. X plus 35 equals 90. Okay, I want to know what X is, so I need to move the 35. Subtract 35, subtract 35. X would equal 55 degrees. Okay, now I would be done. Another way to do it is just this. 90 minus 35 equals 55 degrees. Boom, that's my answer. I'm done. Okay? You need to do that with 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay? 6 is a little tricky, but it's exactly the same. This is still 90 degrees. And we need to figure out what this piece in the middle is. Okay?